Welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. My name is Diana. I hope that you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe for turtle cookies. These cookies are kind of like those candies that have the chocolate on the top and the caramel and pecans or pecans, if that's how you say it. But these cookies are really simple. You don't even need an electric mixer for these. You can just mix everything together by hand. I will leave all the ingredients and the amounts in the description box if you're interested. Thank you so much for stopping by. I also really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel and like the video. Here's the recipe. To make these cookies, start by adding a stick of butter to a large mixing bowl. Put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds until it melts, and then set it to the side to cool. In a separate mixing bowl, measure out your flour, cornstarch, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Then whisk those together until they're well combined. Get your cooled butter and add brown sugar and granulated sugar. Then mix those together really well, making sure that you get out any lumps from the brown sugar. Add your egg and vegetable oil. Then stir those until the mixture is smooth. Add vanilla extract, pancake syrup, and mix those again until it's well combined. Add half of your dry ingredients into the bowl with the wet ingredients and stir that up until all the flour is incorporated. Then you can go ahead and add the remainder and stir that until you don't see any more of the dry ingredients and everything is well combined. It will be pretty thick. Add chocolate chips and pecans. Mix those until you get everything well incorporated and evenly distributed. The chocolate chips kind of tend to fall to the bottom, so just press them in the best that you can. Then grab some wax paper, put a sheet on your working surface, and get some soft caramels. Unwrap them and place them on the wax paper. Then put another piece of wax paper on top, and then get a rolling pin, or if you don't have one like me, you can use a canned good and just kind of squish those down, roll those out a little bit so that they're a little bit thinner. Don't make them too long because you want them to fit well inside of your cookie. Go ahead and remove the wax paper, and there you have a little flat caramel disc. Get a large baking sheet and add parchment paper this time, not wax paper, parchment paper, and then add 2 tablespoons of cookie dough for each cookie. Make sure to leave at least 2 inches in between each cookie. Take the dough that you measured out and flatten each one down into a circular disc. That's going to be the base of your cookie. Then you're going to grab those flattened caramels that you had and put them right on top of the cookie dough. You want to make sure that the caramel is not hanging over the cookie dough. Then take 1 more tablespoon of dough per cookie and put that right on the top of each one. Flatten it out over the caramel. Make sure the caramel is completely covered so that it won't just spill out of your cookie while it's baking. Press it down, making sure the caramel is sealed in the middle. Bake the cookies in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown and cooked all the way through. Then allow them to cool on the cookie sheet for at least 10 minutes before you take them off. They're all done. I hope that you enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching.